Hello and welcome to Portfolio 2. My name is Patrick Keogh and I will be your instructor for this final course for the photography technology program. Um, Please keep in mind that this is about a 90% online course and your key to success is staying on top of the weekly assignments. If you don't do the weekly assignments, each one is graded. You might have a great portfolio, but you could get a D or an F in the class for not doing the weekly work. So, since we've been working on Blackboard all year, I want to show you a little bit about Moodle. Moodle is very user friendly, and I've laid it out in a very simple, clean way. So, just follow along with me. The top module in Moodle is not a learning module. All it is the course announcements, the syllabus, and the list of required photographs for the portfolio and any other information that relates to the entire course. It's like a course information module. Now, as we move down, I've broken it down into weekly modules. Each week, you will have an assignment and you will have resources that will help you in moving forward with the assignment. So you've got to follow directions carefully since this is pretty much all online. All my lectures are podcasted. You have to listen to those and you have to post goals and objectives based on your editing session with me the first week. So let's make sure that you've got to meet with me for a 1 hour editing session before May 30th, and I will be sending out a schedule when you can make an appointment to meet with me with all your work. Once we've done that, you are essentially going to move forward in finishing up your final diversified portfolio week by week by posting your goals based on the editing check sheet that I give you, and then showing me the following week that you accomplished those goals by posting the work that you photographed that related to that check sheet. So, week one, web search, and you're going to be posting what you consider your ideal assignment, and you're going to search for photographer websites that might relate to the type of work you would like to do, whether it be portraiture, commercial, photojournalism. We're going to have our editing session. I need you all to create a photo bucket account, and I give you the link there because each week you're going to have to post a link to your photo bucket account and to the specified gallery that you put the work in. I need you to create a Skype account so we can have office hours and I can talk with you if you have any issues. And here is where you will post your web search. This is a discussion board just like in Blackboard. You click add a new discussion topic, and very similar to Blackboard, you would put in the web search information. Here's the link. This is for creating a link, and this one here is for inserting an image from. You would put the link, the URL from your photo gallery in Photo Bucket there, and then I can see your pictures, and you can set up the sizes here. All right, we can practice that as well. And I'll give more directions to that. I want you to post your favorite photography websites and answer the question, if you could photograph any assignment in the world, what would it be? And I want you to describe your shooting style in that first forum. Okay? From that point on, as you can see, we have a long week 2, because that's really where we're getting the course kind of kicked off, and you're getting your check sheet together and deciding exactly how you're going to move forward. So each week under the learning resource, there's a lecture or lectures. You are to read those, watch the videos in the lectures, and also download all of the podcasts from CCC iTunes, which I have linked off to the side in one of the informational blocks. And I will give you exact directions on how to do that. In fact, if you go up to the course announcement I have your first announcement here and the link to download all of my lectures under photography technology icon and then portfolio 2 icon. Subscribe and download all the lectures so you'll be able to listen to them each week. All right, with that said, let's just march along. Week 1, web search. Week 2, importance of the fundamentals of photography, lecture, overview of the goals. Week 3, portfolio preparation. Post your lecture overview. Here are the lectures. Post your goals and your image or images to this board here. All right, you'll be submitting each week. Lecture here, post the goals for the week. Lecture here, goals for the week. And lecture overview. Lecture and goals for the week. There's your lectures and a website on business of photography. The one before that is success in the digital age, photographic markets, portfolio preparation, and we start Sunday night and end the following Monday. Art of seeing, writing a resume. You've got to have a resume. I give you lots of examples and video tutorials, and you have to post a rough resume here, and you will submit your final resume there. Last week, July 28th to the 31st, final resumes. You'll finish your blogs. Everything you do, you'll add to your blog each week. Submit your e-portfolio. I showed you how to do that, but I'll demonstrate that again for you. You'll have to do that in InDesign. There's a final exam review sheet and a final exam. It's relatively fast-paced. You have to work on your own. You have to listen to the lectures on your own and post good, solid overviews of those lectures. So here would be the first one. You all should now know exactly what's expected. Post your goals and lecture 1 overview on fundamentals for week 2 early in the week, and then show the class and post images the following week that your goals were accomplished. We've got 7 weeks to do this, so you've got to move quickly. Okay, I want you all to succeed. Many of you have already walked in graduation, so you've just got to wrap this up and make an appointment with me. I'll be getting in touch with all of you to make those appointments. Don't forget to create your Photo Bucket account, and we will have a great final Portfolio 2 class. I'm looking forward to it, and good luck to you all.